Now, as it happens, I couldn't find any video footage of me fitting this thing, but as you can see, it's just literally screwed onto the side. And at the top here, you can see the two ducting connectors where I'll show you shortly how to fit the pipes. Now on the inside, you can see that there's the ducting pipe sticking out through from that box onto the inside of the booth, and then round onto the outside, you can see the actual box fitted onto the outside. A lot of work, hopefully worth it. Only time will tell. Yeah, so now I can attach my soundproof ducting to the top of my 1 meter soundproof ducting inside here, inside this soundproof box, sound treated box. And then this will be my extraction from the top of the booth all the way down here. I'm going to snake it along the top. It's going to come down here out to the motor. So first of all, I'm going to tape it with some duct tape. Okay, then I have my Jubilee clip. If I've never mentioned it before, which I'm not sure I have, the size of this ducting is 100mm, 4 inches. That's what I decided to go with. Good. That's got a nice tight grip on it. It's not going anywhere. Then I have another one here. Comes back like that. This is going to attach to the other pipe, and I'm going to somehow thread it around the back to come out the other side. Now with this pipe here, I think that might be a bit tricky, but we'll make it happen somehow. It's a good question. How am I going to get it round there? Which you don't know. I think I can pull that from the other side. Hello. Do you know how sometimes you get different music banging around your head when you're doing something? For some reason I've got a police song, Driven to Tears. Driven to tears, driven to tears, driven to tears. Don't know why, this is not driving me to tears, yet. Because we basically want that airtight. Because sound could get in there too if it wasn't. Alright, that's me 2 pipes in. That's good. Making progress.
Shut up and sit down.
Alright, so here I have a smaller 1.2 meter silenced ducting. I'm going to attach it to here, and that's just going to dangle down like that, and it will attach to my motor when I eventually get my, not my motor, my fan, my extractor fan. So I'm just going to prise this open a little bit. This is good stuff, you know, I like it. It's aluminium foil on the inside, clean, soundproof. I mean, It's got, you know, I doubt it's like deadly soundproof, but it's better than just better than nothing. Now this could be tricky because it's upside down, you know, so gravity's pulling down on it. So might need to use a box here. Just to let it rest, so I'm not fighting against it all the time. With this spring tension, that should help actually. Great idea. There we go. Ta-da! Alright. You know, I surprise myself sometimes with my ideas. I don't know, maybe I should just stick it around here first. Otherwise, it's going to be fun and games, except without much fun. Oh god. Whose idea was this? Anyway, let's see how that goes. Is it on? No. Let's get it on. That's it. It's on. Okay. Now stay on while I try and put this on. Ah, was it worth it? Ah, forget it. Okay. Let's get the Jubilee clip on. Of course I can test it later anyway to see if it leaks. Okay, good. That is on. Okay, so this will come down and go into my motor box. Whilst it's not connected to the box, I'm just going to fill it to stop any creepy crawlies getting up there. Job done.